What's up, YouTube world? Welcome to another edition of Sorry We're Stoned. How you doing, everyone? Welcome to another edition of Sorry We're Stoned. I don't know if you can tell or not, but I'm wearing a garbage bag and a toque. That's right. Call me a crazy Canuck. It's raining out, it's March, and it's chilly, but we got shit to do. I can't do brakes, so I'm going to clean on the outside of the truck. Nature gave us rain. I'm going to take advantage of it. So, I brought some SOS pads, some wet sandpaper, wet dry sandpaper, and lots of water. Oh yeah, and I got rags. Lots of rags if I need them. So, that's pretty much it. I'm just going to go out and I'm going to clean on the truck a bit. I already did half of the hood the other day to see how that would come out, and it seemed to come out alright. So I'm going to get on that and I'll get back to you. But first, before I get to work, I think it's only appropriate if we do a bong rep. Oh yeah, baby. That was a good one. Alright. I'm going to take advantage of what nature gave us. I'm going to go out and clean. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Only a duck lover would love doing this shit. Alright, everyone. So after about a half hour of wiping down on the body, I cleaned up most of what you can see here are these little green barnacle fungus things that have grown on the truck over the years. And I got most of that off. In a half hour, I've knocked off most of the excess crap and dirt. I still have to get the back of the mirrors and stuff, right? But I'm not sure if I'm keeping the mirrors. But I just wanted to get onto this stuff and get this done while it's raining. And now that I've got all the heavy-duty crap off, I can work on using the SOS pads. But to reward myself for the work I've done, I think I'll sit inside, have a nice fresh hot cup of coffee, and a bong rip. And I'll get back to you. Talk to you soon.
How neat is that?
as you can see, it's still raining out. I finished scrubbing down the truck. I was going to hook up my hose and rinse it all off. But the whole idea of cleaning and saving in the rain is to let the rain do the work. So after a couple of bong rips and a half a cup of coffee, she's almost all rinsed off. She still needs a little bit more rinsing. But she's beautiful. Nature's doing what I want her to do. We'll go around to the back and we'll have a look-see. You can see that's already all rinsed off. Except for down at the bottom there where there's lots of buildup, and that'll take a little more time for it to all drip by. But it doesn't look like the rain's going to let up anytime soon, so he'll keep rinsing. I'm really digging all the different colors that are in the side of this truck. And if it doesn't rinse off nice enough by the time it stops raining, I'll just give her a rinse. Not a big deal. The whole thought process is to try. Save some money. Have fun doing it. Alright. We'll catch you there. We'll see what this looks like when she's all dried up. And we'll go from there. Alright, everyone. Well, I think I'm going to leave it there for right now for this episode of Sorry We're Stoned. And we'll pick you up next time. Thanks a lot. Don't forget to like and subscribe.